We are pleased to show you the 2025 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, advanced technology package, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.